There is a Belur temple that is Vishnu. This is Shiva temple.
Shiva temple.
This temple built in 12th century, 1121 AD. It was built by one of the minister of Hoysala dynasty, Ketu Malla. Ketu Malla was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He wanted to show love and affection. That is why he built the two temples on a single platform.
Okay.
One for the king, one for the queen.
Oh.
One in the name of the king temple called Hoysaleshwara, another one in the name of the queen temple called Shantaleshwara. Both are Shiva temple inside. The Hoysalas ruled Karnataka. 10 to 14th century. They contributed 92 temples all over Karnataka. Among those, Belur, Halebeedu and Sonapur temples are very famous. The material used to construct the temple, soapstone. You know soapstone?
Soapstone.
It is very, very soft, like a soap. When it is in the earth, but on exposure to atmosphere, becomes a hard. So it was easily to chisel and carve. This temple took 190 years to build. 190 years to build. Total.
Almost 200.
But still is incomplete. Because when the work was going on, this temple was attacked by the Delhi Sultan, Alauddin Khilji, Chief Commander Malik Kafur in 1310 and 1326. They destroyed everything, the city, palace, temple also. Then it came to be known as Halebeedu. Halebeedu means ruined city, destroyed city, or old settlement. Before Halebeedu. Hale means old, Beedu means town.
Okay.
Before it was called Dwara Samudra. Dwara Samudra, it means Dwara means entrance, Samudra means sea. You can see in front of the temple big lake there. When it fills with water, it looks in an ocean. It is the entrance of the sea. That is why it is called Dwara Samudra. Dwara Kavati. We can see this is the eastern part of this temple. Top to bottom you can see 11 panels here, 11 lines. The first one you can see we are the elephants. There are 1,248 elephants all around the temple. Each elephant is different, not a single, none of them. The second line you can see lions. Third and fifth line are flower creepers. Fourth lines horse riders. Symbolically, elephants stand for stability, lion for courage, flowers represent beauty, horses for speed. Strength, courage, beauty, speed.
Okay.
The sixth panel you can see are the Indian epic stories. The Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavata, Purana stories. This is from Indian mythology story called Samudra Manthan.
Samudra Manthan.
Journey of the Milky Ocean. We can say one side, demons, gods that side.
Yeah.
Used to Mandara mountain is a churning rod. Vasuki long serpent is churning rope. There are churning because no support. Big Mandara mountain starts sinking in the water. Vishnu took form of the second incarnation, we say tall type. Lifted the mountain up. Finally got the nectar, Amrut or Ambrosial. Next one you can see we have the mythic animal called Makara.
Makara.
Makara means we have combination of 7 animal spots. We can see details. Lion's leg, pig's body, crocodile mouth, elephant trunk, monkey eyes, cow ear, peacock feathers and tail. Called Makara, vehicle of Varuna, god of water. Next one you can see we have the swan god, vehicle of Brahma, dancing and nuisance culture activities. The last pair you can see some erotic from Kama Sutra.
Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Purification will take a half of half. We can see there are toiletries here, farm trees. Todd is collected, kept in one small pot. One small bird we can see, one small bird has come and drinking a alcohol. What does it mean? Nothing wrong taking alcohol. But how much should we take? We take a little like a bird. Feel like a bird, we are flying in the sky like that.
Little. Nandi. Big Nandi. It's single stone.
Yeah. In India, we have so many Nandi carvings. The Department of Archaeological Service in India recognizes only 7 Nandis according to their height and size. First biggest bull in India, Lepakshi temple in Andhra, 24 feet in height. The second place, Brihadeshwara temple, Tanjore, Tamil Nadu.
Tanjore.
Third one, Chamundi in Mysore. Fourth one, Basavanagudi Bull temple in Bengaluru. Fifth one, again, Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Sixth and seventh, Halebeedu. We can say that Nandi is 9 feet in height. This is 8 feet in height. That is 6th largest bull in India. This is 7th largest.
7th largest, okay.
Both Nandi made of single piece of stone, monolithic stone. Our beautification and decoration, this Nandi rank in India first. We can see details wearing the bell chain, garlands, flower garlands, big bell, small bell, running bell vines, attractive eyes, all out ear, polished mirror also. Always Nandi sitting in natural. The skin folding up on neck also. You can see wrinkles.
Yeah.
All of it you can draw.
Yeah.
Left to Vishnu, both sides are mythic animal called Makara. Makara means we have combination of seven same animal.
Yeah.
They heard it.
Yeah.
The Vaisala temples, whole temple looks like in a star shape. You can see star. Star means zigzag type. This temple on the platform can fit total 64.
Okay.
There is
60.
a Belur only 32 corners.
Okay.
This temple twice bigger than Belur.
60.
Bigger than Belur. This. You can see in beginning we have Ganesha dancing first one. Dancing Ganesha.
Yeah.
On his vehicle, Jamin Babu. The right to have grip, it is a grip the Niles also. Because the sculpture imagination, the right is small animal, Ganesha is more weight.
Yeah.
These are you can say Ganesha's brother, Subramanya or Kartikeya Kandamu.
Okay.
On his vehicle, Peacock. Actually, he has 6 phases. Here you can see 3 phases, another 3 phases back side.
The imagination, you know?
We can say starting Indian 3 natives, Indian 3 main gods.
Hmm,
You can say
Brahma,
beginning Brahma, second
Brahma.
Shiva, third one Vishnu.
Okay.
Usually Vishnu is center, this is Shiva is center. Because this is Shiva temple.
Okay.
The god meaning, G-O-D. G means generator Brahma, O means operator Vishnu, D means destroyer Shiva. Srishti, Sthiti, Laya. You can say this is Shiva Parvati called Uma Maheshwara. When Parvati she is called calm, she is called Uma, then the vehicle will be Mungus. When she is angry, Durga, Chamundi, she is called Durga, then the vehicle is Tiger. Allah. We can see this story of Mahabharata. This is Arjuna. This is Arjuna shooting the fish's eyes, looking at the reflection in the oil pan. But as damage, we can identify Arjuna is monkey flag, is the Hanuman flag.
Oh, okay.
But Draupadi Sayamara. Actually, Vishnu is the 10 incarnations. Vishnu. Shiva is the 108 forms. You can see this is the 8th incarnation of Vishnu called Krishna. This is Krishna lifted the mountain of Govardhana Padu Paruta. The mountain you can see full of the leaves. You can see details, banana tree, bunch of banana.
Yeah.
One monkey climbing the tree, banana. You can see.
Yeah.
Man climbing the mountain.
Yeah.
Center you can see hunter hunting a pig,
Yeah.
peacock, lizard. There are snakes
Oh.
coming outside.
Lots of.
There are Sri Krishna, Govardhana Giridhari.
Yeah.
You can see the Shiva dancing inside body of the elephant.
Oh.
The demon by name Gajasura. Gajasura means demon who comes from of the elephant. Kill Shiva, killing him by dancing inside body of the elephant.
Yeah.
Elephant backside means backside 2 legs and tail on the top.
Yeah, tail is on the top.
Another
and this
2 legs
is,
and the
yeah.
head bottom.
Oh.
Shiva is holding a backside 2 legs, stitching
Oh.
behind.
Oh.
Due to weakness, Shiva's left hand tunnels, smile.
Yeah.
He was the skin of the elephant body. You can see through the skin.
Yeah.
You can look, na?
Yeah, this one.
What we call Gaja Charma Ambara Dari Shiva. Gaja means elephant, Charma means skin, Ambara means sky, wearing the sky.
Okay.
Wow.
So same pattern everywhere.
Yes, You can see this is the 3rd incarnation. This is the 3rd incarnation of Vishnu Varaha Avatar. Varaha means looks like a pig. Protect the goddess of Bhudevi. Killing the demon Hiranyaksha. By crush the head up to preserve both eyeballs.
Yeah.
Both eyeballs are bulging out or coming out.
Yeah.
The another demon comes to help Hiranyaksha. So Vishnu holding a mace, you can see Talwar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, the tip of the mace coming out the intestines, you can see other bar. This is the 3rd incarnation of Vishnu Varaha. You can see this is the 4th incarnation. This is the 4th incarnation of Vishnu Narasimha.
Nursing.
Narasimha means half lion, half man. Face looks like a lion, body looks like a man. Killing the demon in Hiranyakashipu. While killing, another demon can see, another demon comes to help him. So Vishnu is very angry, killed the demon face the mask. Both eyeballs you can see?
Yeah.
Both eyeballs are stitching the skin like a banana or plastic surgery like this. This is the 4th incarnation of Vishnu, Ugra Narasimha. Ugra means angry.
Ugra. Angry.
You can see Shiva and Parvati sitting on the pedestal. Shiva side, you can see inside wind is there. Shiva is more weight of than Parvati. In ghost is manpower. Nowadays it's ladies. You can see one of the beautiful stage of this temple called Rati Manmata, Indian love gods. Madan and Rati, Kamdev. We can identify Manmata as one of the left hand, you can see holding a sugar cane. But sugar cane. But sugar cane is broken. One of the right hand, you can see holding a flower arrows. Love is very, very sweet. Looks like a sugar cane, symbol of love. Love, observation, you know. L-O-V-E. Look, observe, verify, then enjoy. Love, another meaning, love is loss of valuable education or energy. You can see this is Lakshmi. This is Lakshmi dancing in three-fold of lotus. Actually, Lakshmi never dancing, sitting or standing position. We can identify Lakshmi is one of the left hand, you can see holding a nectar, but Amrit Kalas. One of the right hand, you can see holding a lotus. This statue is very there. Actually, this temple is bigger than Belur. Belur temple is 42 bracket figures inside and outside the temple. Actually, this temple inside and outside total 20 को ज़्यादा है. एक मूर्ति है कहानी थी. You can see this is the fifth incarnation. This is the fifth incarnation of Vishnu. Vamana avatar. Vamana means short Brahmin, small boy. You are asking for the 3 steps born from King of Mahabali. You can see Bali Chakravarti. In bottom you can see this is the teacher of the demon Shukracharya showing not to be. Parijata Apaharan.
Parijata is a tree in heaven, right?
Yeah.
Parijat.
Look at this man. Can I link him?
Yeah.
It is look a European or Egyptian barrister like this. This is an Indian monk. This is an Indian monk.
Indian monks.
It is look a British justice. Judge.
How that jacket and all wearing.
This is an Indian monk. Even today, Englishman, judge, is used to the court, you know, you can see.
Yeah.
Big,
Yeah.
fairly big and double long coat,
Yeah, long coat.
a stick and wheel.
Yeah.
Fight between the Wali and
Yes.
Yeah,
These are
Bali
all-
and
These are seven trees,
They
right?
are between Wali.
In similar way, he was killed in his next avatar, right?
Yeah.
Krishna was
Yeah.
killed similarly.
We can see this Rama give the mother ring, identify Sita. Mother ring,
Okay.
identify Sita.
Yeah, so भी में है ये next
There is a Belu that is Vishnu temple. Vishnu ka guardians Jaya and Jaya. Shivju ka developer Nanditeshwar and Pratikeshwar. This is 9 feet in height made of single piece of stone. Monomatic stone.
okay
The beautiful ornaments. It is looking golden jewel work is there. Finishing it. This temple inside work was going on. This temple was attacked by the Delhi Sultan. Alauddin Khilji, chief commander Malik Kafur. This temple inside work is after.
Okay.
There is a Belu temple known for inside beauty. This temple known for outside.
okay
The beautiful carvings outside. Ramayana, Mahabharata. You can see one of the beautiful lady is wearing this saree. A small monkey. A small monkey has come and pulling that saree. The lady tried to break the branch of the tree to beat the monkeys. Is wearing the slippers and with the cap. Called monkey business. You can see there is the fourth incarnation of Vishnu Narasimha statue again in defeat because the family god of Hoysala dynasty. You can see the story of Chakra story, no? Abhimanyu, Mahabharata. It is very, very difficult on question in India how to go inside and how to come out.
Yeah,
But only three many knew Mahabharata. Sri Krishna, Arjuna, Dronacharya. You can identify Dronacharya is a fault flag is there. You can see Kumbhadhajam is there. This is the story of Chakra or Mahabharata.
Abhimanyu.
You can see this Bhima, very strong man among Pandavas, 1,000 like a Superman, He-Man, Hercules man. These Bhima elephants are marching one by one. Bhima catch the each and keep throwing that side, killing and throwing, killing and throwing. If of that they will touch a cloud.
Okay.
Look at the binocular telescope. You know binocular? Galileo, scientist, invented in 16th or 17th century. But Hoysala soldier, 12th century soldiers used a binocular.
Oh.
Looks like a Scud missiles and rockets. Look at the straw, Coca-Cola putting these straws.
Yeah.
That's
यार क्या काट किया है?
You can see this is Ravana. This is Ravana, king of Sri Lanka. Lift the mountain of Kailasa. On the top you can see Shiva and Parvati sitting on the Kailasa. Shiva is pushed the mountain test of Kailasa, more weight of Ravana, eyeballs are bursting out like circle. Vajan killing. The right side you can see Shiva and Parvati sitting on the bull Nandi. The Nandi face you can see angry face, eyes looking at burning, back side like his bent, tail has gone up. You know why Nandi is angry? You know? Because Nandi carrier for only for Shiva, carrier Nandi, not for Parvati. Because double reading, this Nandi is very angry.
Oh.
Hmm.
And he said,
You can see one of the beautiful edited stand here called Apsara. Her hairstyle you can see. Her hairstyle thrice bigger than her face called Nagamudi. Nagamudi it means looks like a snake. Also called Ajanta hairstyle, Ajanta and Ellora caves paintings. You can see starting Indian Trinity is repeated. First thing you see beginning Brahma, creator, Shiva is the destroyer, Vishnu is the protector. Saraswati god of education, Nagaraja king of cobra, again Shiva, last one Lakshmi. Lakshmi left eyes you can see.
yeah.
Says left eyes is squint eyes. You know squint eyes?
Squints.
One big, one small.
Yeah.
The Indian conversion, ladies left eyes is squint eyes very lucky in India. Gents right eyes, you know, that is lucky. They have double benefit also. Seeing one person talking another person means LLTT, looking to London, talking to Tokyo.
क्या लग रहा है?
Audience wearing the helmets looks like American astronauts, motor bike helmets.